today's move, Flair bartending move that I'm gonna teach you, looks like this. Are you ready? It's sexy. 1, 2, ba, ba. Oh yeah. We're gonna start with, and I'll break this down more in just a moment. We're gonna do a snatch. So we're snatching the bottle, then we're coming around, we're turning our body, and as we're coming around, we're releasing the tin. Releasing the tin. Release the Kraken, but the tin. As we release the tin, this bottle comes behind our back, and we're gonna throw it back to front. So that's gonna come up, boop, but we're gonna catch it in our right hand. We're gonna throw it up and catch there in a beer grab, but at the same time, we're gonna switch the shaker behind our back. Back to front, behind our back. Shaker up, tennis grab, open end towards you, beer grab with the bottle. So, over, snatch. Now my left foot is stepping back, so I'm gonna face this way, and as I face this way, I release the shaker and pull out the bottle. I'm pulling out the bottle, you see that? Pulling out the bottle, but as you do it together, the shaker flies up a little bit. I'm gonna catch that in the other hand. As I come up, the bottle comes behind my back and the shaker comes around, ready for the bottle to come in front of me. I throw it up and I'm gonna catch it in this hand, but I'm also gonna release the shaker to behind my back. So, bottle up, switch, catch, and if you see I've turned all the way around to try and catch that shaker. Then I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna pour it, that's right. I'm gonna come and bring the shaker on top of the bottle, twist, pour, cut. Thank you very much. Let's do the whole thing together. Are we ready? Snatch, release, up, switch, catch. Shaker over the top, turn to the pour. All together a bit more quickly. Snatch, release, up, switch, turn, pour. Cut it off like a ninja. Thank you very much. That was this week's 3-Minute Thursday. I don't really have a name for it, but we're gonna call it the Snatch and Release. Ooh. That was this week's 3-Minute Thursday. I hope to see you again next week on next week's 3-Minute Thursday. But until then, I'll see you then. Bye.